Hello and welcome back friends. Today's video I will explain you ABS absolute value. How we can use the ABS command in LS PLC. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all we will open our XG5000 software, and here first input address we will be take an example IX0, and next we will be type ABS. When you type the ABS you can got the ABS command, and also in the function list you can see the second command is the ABS command. Is the various types of the ABS command available in LS PLC: ABS int, ABS integer, ABS long integer, ABS long real, ABS real, any you can choose. But in this video only we will check about the ABS. If you want to help check, you can go to the help section. After you can read this all function flags and program example and description also. How this command used we will try. For an example, here we will choose one data register. For an example, MD10 I will choose, and output data register we will be told choose MD20, and go to the online, and first we will connect our PLC, and again we will be click it on the right and click it OK, and this program is being downloaded. As this will be completed, click yes and again click it OK. You can monitor your program by to click on monitor, and after your program will be monitored. An example, here I will be give one value. For an example I will give 30 and click enter, and you can see as I give the signal at the IX0, this value will be passed to the MD20. But now you say maybe this 30 value direct pass the 30 value, what's the difference and what's the meaning? So I wrote some notes for you and I will share with you. In the LS PLCs, the ABS absolute value command is used to output the positive magnitude of a number, effectively stripping away any negative sign. If the input is positive, it remains unchanged. If the input is negative, it is converted to a positive number. Means minus 50 becomes into the positive 50. And automation engineers use the ABS command for several practical reasons in control logics. Those of one I will share with you, means calculating distance in motion control, like when dealing with servo motors or encoders, you often need to know the physical distance between 2 points regardless of direction. Example, if your machine is at position A 500 mm and needs to go to position B 200 mm, so the subtraction 200 minus 500 gives minus 300. By passing this through the ABS command, you will get 300 mm, which tells the PLC exactly how far the axis needs to travel without worrying about the negative sign. One more example, I will write it here minus 30 value, and after you will see what's the result. You can see here is the minus 30 value and here is a still 30 value. One more value will be put, minus 234, and click OK, and after you can see as I give the signal at IX0, that value will be passed plus 234. So this way you can use this command in any of logic you are, an example servo motors control or distance measuring or VFD controls, whatever you can use in the program. So hope guys you will be understand about the ABS command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.